What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DollarMike back at again with another video. Another banging video because we're talking about passive income today, not active income, not income that you get just for going to work every single day and getting that paycheck every single 2 weeks or whatever you may do. We're talking about passive income, income that you basically get for doing essentially nothing. You do one thing once and then you don't really have to worry about it at all, and you still get paid from that one thing that you did once, and you go about your day for the rest of your life and collect easy money. Because I consider it easy money. If you're sleeping and you're still making money, is it not easy? Either way, in this video, I have about 9 different passive income sources that I'll be talking about. I use most of these on a personal level myself, so I'll be talking about those, as well as talking about some that I don't use on a personal level, but that you can use as well. And most of these passive income sources that I mentioned in this video, you can actually start right now. You can actually start today. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Before we get started, obviously I just want to drop those quick plugs, so make sure you hit a like on this video. It's the easiest way to support me. Thank you very much for that. Here's a picture of a baby llama. Thank you. Next up, make sure you get yourself 4 free stocks when you sign up for the Webull app. This promotion lasts until I believe February 2nd, so make sure you guys get yourself 4 free stocks when you sign up with the Webull app. You'll get 2 just for signing up, and you'll get another 2 once you deposit your first $100. On top of that, make sure you get yourself a free slice of a stock on the public app. Link will be down below for that, and also make sure you get yourself another free stock. So this is about 5.5 free stocks basically on the Robinhood app. Basically 5 free stocks for you guaranteed, and then another fractional share of a stock guaranteed for you as well. So get on that, make sure you hit the like, get those free stocks, and let's get into the video. It's one particular topic that I love talking about on this channel, that I've been talking about on this channel since the channel has basically been around, and that is credit cards. I personally have about 6 different credit cards, and I can honestly say that credit cards are an easy passive income source for me. In the simplest terms, most of those credit cards offer me cash back. I receive cashback rewards from those credit cards anywhere between 1% of my purchase up to 20% of my purchase usually. That's honestly insane. So that extra cashback could be for gas for my car, it could be for online shopping, it could be for groceries, it could be for restaurants, all these different types of things that offer me cash back every single time I use them, depending on which card I use. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to credit cards. And I have tons of different credit card videos that go over every single piece of cash back on each particular one of my cards. So make sure you check out my credit card videos. We got the Apple card, we got the 2 Chase cards that I got, we got the Bank of America card, we got the Care credit card, which really doesn't offer cash back, but it's still a really good credit card, especially if you need to take care of your health. We have the Uber credit card, which I really don't recommend anymore, but it's on the list as well. Either way, all these different credit cards offer different things for different reasons, and I'm perfectly fine with that because they offer cash back to me as something that I was going to buy anyway. And that's exactly why I have all of my credit cards, and that's why I love all of my credit cards. Credit cards also offer extra perks like no interest, like travel rewards, like purchase protection, all these different things that debit cards simply don't offer, but I'm not going to get into that in this video because this is not that type of video. Either way, credit cards offer me a nice source of extra passive income because I don't do anything extra. I simply go out and buy what I was going to buy and get paid extra just for doing what I was going to do anyway. My second passive income source is something that I actually started on the channel almost exactly a year ago, and that is my dividend income, my dividend portfolio, my Robinhood dividend portfolio. If you guys don't know, you know now. A link will be right up there to check out all my Robinhood dividend portfolio videos. But let's actually get into what that dividend income can do for you because it's done plenty for me. So certain stocks will pay you dividends either on a quarterly basis or a monthly basis depending on how many shares you actually own of that particular stock. Some of my favorites in particular are companies like Apple, AT&T, Walgreens. All these pay me a dividend either on a monthly or on a quarterly basis, and that's simply extra money just for holding shares of that particular stock. I'm currently getting paid over $500 every single year in dividend income that I don't do anything for. I simply go to bed, I wake up in the morning, I do absolutely nothing. There's nothing to be done. Once you buy those shares, you'll receive dividends from those shares on that particular stock. Of course, all this is broken down in my dividend investing videos, so make sure you check those videos out and find out what dividends you can get for yourself. Some of my upcoming dividends are from American Express, Verizon, JP Morgan Chase, AT&T as I mentioned before, Realty Income, as well as Bank of America, and that's just to name a few. My third way to grab some passive income is something you guys can take advantage of right now, just like the credit cards and the dividend income, is actually the Get Upside app. So if you basically drive any vehicle besides an electric vehicle, because if you drive an electric vehicle, this doesn't really apply to you. Tesla owners, I'm sorry, but you guys are probably doing all right either way. Either way, if you drive a regular vehicle like many of us do right now, maybe we'll all drive Teslas in the future, then you can use the Get Upside app and now save you some money on gas. I'll have a link down below for the Get Upside app and now save you 15 cents per gallon on your next fill up, so make sure you take advantage of that. But what's the whole point of the Get Upside app and how do I actually make passive income from it? So as I mentioned before, with the Get Upside app, you're going to save money on gas. But on top of that, for every person that you refer to Get Upside, you'll actually save 1 cent every time they go and fill up. So every time they fill up 1 gallon of gas, and I don't know about you, but most cars don't take just 1 gallon of gas, you'll get 1 cent to your Get Upside account, which you can then redeem for gift cards. I usually redeem it for Amazon gift cards, or you could just redeem it for cash through a PayPal account. So easy stuff there. So basically you save money on gas, the person you're referring to saves money on gas, and then you continuously save money on gas on top of them continuously saving money on gas. No one really loses out. Everyone saves money on gas, and on top of that, Get Upside is the only way I actually go and fill up now. So right before I go and fill up, I always check the Get Upside app to make sure I can get myself the best deal on some gas, because honestly these prices are crazy and I don't want to pay them. So it's that simple. Either way, I have a full video explaining how to use Get Upside and everything right up there, so make sure you check that out as well. So obviously when you guys sign up for Robinhood and sign up for Webull, I'll get a free stock as well as you. That's basically a passive income source for me, and it's definitely a passive income source for you because all you had to do was actually sign up. However, I personally think that you guys always get the better deal, because when you guys sign up with Webull, like I mentioned before, you'll get 4 free stocks. I'll only get 1 for you signing up. Either way, that's solid. I'm not mad about it or anything like that. I will gladly accept the 1 free stock and go about my day. And also on the Robinhood app, I'll also get a free stock, but usually that stock's usually valued at like $3 or $4. But for some reason, my link must be golden for other people, because other people, I'm telling you, one guy told me he got a free stock on Microsoft. What? Can I get a free share of Microsoft? That's all I'm saying. Like, I don't know what's up with that. Regardless, if you use my link for either one of those platforms, or if you refer somebody else to those platforms, then you can obviously receive that same passive income that I'm receiving. Maybe not on a consistent basis, but honestly, I have no idea. I don't know who you are. I don't know how big you are on social media. If you have friends, then I'm pretty sure you can go and refer your friends and get yourself some easy passive income with Robinhood as well as with Webull. And honestly, they're great platforms, and I should have a video talking about both of them, kind of comparing both of them, because I haven't released one of those in a while. So I think it's overdue. It's time for a new one. Either way, let's move on to the next passive income source. So generally speaking, saving money is extremely important. I believe the average American doesn't even have $1,000 right now in their savings account, which honestly, it's just kind of unacceptable. I understand the climate and everything, but honestly, it just doesn't work. If you have a $1,000 emergency and you can't pay for that $1,000 emergency, you might have to put that on a credit card, and then you might have to pay interest on that credit card. So you're paying over that $1,000 emergency. It's not really worth it. But if you had savings, then you probably wouldn't have to worry about half of these things that other people are already worried about when an emergency pops up, because you don't know when it's going to happen, and it will happen. Either way, I've been using the Yotta Savings app, and I made a couple of videos talking about Yotta Savings, so those videos will be right up there. But mainly with the Yotta Savings app, you win money for saving money. It is a win-win situation. It's a win for me, it's a win for you, it's a win for your savings account, and I've won personally over $70 just saving with the Yotta Savings app. So make sure you check this app out. Basically, every $25 you save, you get 1 free ticket, and that 1 free ticket will go to a raffle every single week, and that raffle will basically win you even more money. The more numbers you match, the more money you win. It's that simple. I have tons of Yotta Savings videos already, so make sure you check that out. But if you want to sign up for Yotta Savings, make sure you check out the link down below. You click on it, and then you just sign up for Yotta Savings. Make sure you use the code DollarMike, and they'll get you 150 free tickets for your first week. So either way, I make passive income from Yotta Savings because they basically pay me every single week just for saving money with them, way more than your average savings account would make. I do not have an average savings account anymore. Yotta Savings is my average savings account, because it's not average, it's actually well above that. It's probably the best savings. Actually, scratch that. It is the best savings account I've ever had, and I don't plan on that changing anytime soon, because I don't think anybody's even gonna try to compete with them. A follower of mine on my Instagram account actually recommended this next one to me, and make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram, because he posts a lot of passive income sources, different types of stock stuff, his investment portfolio personally. He posts all that for you guys, so definitely check him out. Definitely use some of his links. Definitely go support, because man, support me, so I gotta support him as well. It's just that simple, and that's how we do things around here. Either way, he recommended I download and try out the Pay app. So Pay, P-E-I, is basically just a cashback app, and it'll basically just give you cash back on places that you might be spending money at anyway. I know it's a little pizza place right around the corner from my house that I go to all the time. If I actually connect my card to the Pay app, which I've already done, and I go and buy something from that pizza place, I'm gonna get 20% back on my purchase every single time, up to 4 different times in 1 week. I believe that's pretty insane. So basically 20% off or 20% cash back, however you want to look at it, every single time I go and make a purchase at this pizza place. There are obviously other places. I believe Walgreens was on that list as well. So Walgreens pretty close to me. I think Giant was on there. I believe Dunkin' Donuts was on there. So basically anywhere I go, and I use that credit card in particular, which I have synced to the app, I'll get cash back. On top of that cash back, I'll also get cash back from that credit card, because you know we're out here trying to double up on these things. Come on now. If you can get cash back from multiple different sources from basically making one single purchase, you know. with the Pay app, you can obviously redeem all this for cash back, or you can redeem it for Bitcoin. Yes, you heard me right. You can redeem it for Bitcoin. All you would simply do is redeem it for Bitcoin on the app and then send it to your Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase. I mentioned Coinbase in my Bitcoin video, so make sure you check that out. But on the Coinbase app, if you sign up with the link down below, you're going to get $10 free worth of Bitcoin, and you'll also have a free Bitcoin wallet to store all your Bitcoin in. So it's the perfect win-win. You know, you sign up for Coinbase, you sign up for the Pay app, all linked down below, and you also check out my man's on Instagram for dropping that gem for me, because I had no idea the Pay app even existed, and we're all good to go. Next passive income source, because honestly I've lost count, is another cashback, and that is Rakuten. Basically the same exact thing as the Pay app. You cannot redeem it for Bitcoin salary, you only can redeem it for cash, but it works exactly the same way. With Rakuten though, it is slightly different, where you would go on the app, you would actually click on the purchase that you want to make, and you would then buy it on the website, and then you would pay whatever card you want to pay with, and then you would get the cash back. The cash back would go to the Rakuten app, and then you go withdraw that cash back from the Rakuten app to your actual bank account or a PayPal account. That simple. I currently have $138 pending right now. That'll come from the Rakuten app straight to my bank account, I believe on February 12th or something like that. So I actually used the Rakuten app for all of my online shopping. So I actually made a decent amount of money back from stuff that I was going to buy anyway, on top of the credit cards, and it's all back into my account. How lovely, how passive. I didn't do anything extra. I simply bought the things I was going to buy anyway. Can't go wrong with that. Next up on the list is actually what you're watching this on. You're watching this on YouTube, and I make passive income from YouTube. You may say, Mike, well, this is kind of active. You're making videos and then you make money off those videos. And you're absolutely right. It is kind of active, but it's also kind of passive, because the thing is, I make money not only from this video that you're watching right now actively, I'm also making money from every single one of those videos that I posted in the past, even the ones I posted before I even got monetized on my channel, which you guys didn't know was about last July. Either way, I do want to go over my whole income on YouTube thing, because I think it should be pretty transparent. So that'll obviously be in a future video for you guys. But yeah, either way, I make money from all those older videos. They don't make me a lot of money, really not much at all. But the point is, I still make passive income from videos I haven't touched, I haven't looked at, I haven't seen any comments, because I don't even think there's been any comments. But I still make money from those videos for the people that watch it, like it, do whatever you gotta do. But overall, you can make money from YouTube. I would just say two things. Number one is to have quality content. Basically just have content that people actually want to watch, it's entertaining, or people want to see. It provides some type of service, like the amount of information I'm offering to you right now, as far as this video, as far as my investing videos, saving videos, all those different kind of things. And also be consistent. So quality content and be consistent. If you can do both of those things, I guarantee it 100%. I guarantee it that you'll make money off YouTube. It's that simple. It's nothing else more that you can do. You may look at it like, oh, it's taking too long, but I mean, that's kind of how it is. If you want something to really work out for you in the long term, then you might have to put in long-term work for it. I didn't make 1 cent off of YouTube for the first year and a half or so that I was doing YouTube. So if you want to put the work in, then you can put the work in and you can get the results that you want to get. Either way, you may get it way faster than me. You may pop off in 3 months, because I've seen people do it. Honestly, just be yourself and you'll be just fine. Let's move on to the last passive income source that I want to mention to you guys. That last passive income source is actually the Amazon affiliate program. This works well if you have a YouTube channel. This works well if you have a blog or something like that. Maybe you just have a huge following on Instagram or a huge following on Twitter, and you're promoting a product, or you're just using a product you like that you want to promote that's on Amazon. Then in that case, I would recommend that you look into the Amazon affiliate program, or the Amazon influencer program. I'm not sure what they're calling it these days, but basically, as an example, let's take a YouTube video like this video right here, and let's take this product right here, which is basically a phone holder for my iPhone. It also has a little opening in the back so I can run a cable through it, so I can charge my phone as well. But let's just say you guys actually wanted one of these, which you actually might. In that case, you would basically ask me for a link to this, or you would maybe want a review of my full desk setup, which is also coming very soon, and I'll have the links to everything for my desk setup linked down below when that video actually comes out. Those links will obviously take you right to Amazon.com, so you can go and buy it. But if you're part of the Amazon influencer program, they would give you obviously custom special links. So every time somebody buys something with your link, like something like this, then you get paid. Now, something like this, it's only worth about $10, maybe $9. So you'll probably still make maybe 10, 15 cents off the purchase. But the point is, you made money from doing something that you really didn't do. Basically nothing. You didn't do anything to actually, you made a video talking about this product, and you also said, yeah, if you like it, go pick it up, and the person picked it up and they got passive income off of it. So there you go. Amazon affiliates. If you want to do that, you can check it out. The link will be down below for that as well. I'm not currently in the affiliate program, but I'm hoping to get in, so we'll wait on that. We'll see what's going on with that. Either way, yeah. So get yourself some passive income through whatever you're trying to sell, or if you have a product recommendation, anything like that. Amazon affiliates got you covered. And what isn't offered on Amazon? They offer everything from A to Z. That's why they got the whole name, you know, like, I don't have to keep doing this. We've seen the logo. That's what it means. A to Z. They got all the products. It's that simple. It's Amazon. Come on now. And I also want a share of Amazon, you know, in 2020, 2021. That's just kind of a goal of mine. Either way, I'm kind of rambling because this video is basically over. So that is it. That is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed or got something out of this video, make sure you hit a like. Make sure you tell me which passive income sources you're going to take advantage of right now, right this minute, down in the comment section below. Also, toss down some passive income sources because I obviously didn't mention them all because, I mean, I don't know them all, or either I don't use them all. So that's that. I'm sure you have passive income sources that I have no idea about or just don't use in general. So toss them down below in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also toss it down there. Also, if you have any recommendations for videos, toss them down there. You know, just comment section. That's what it's for. We have a discussion. That's the whole point of the comment section, right? Either way, yeah, that's kind of it. Make sure you hit that subscribe as well because I got tons of content for you guys in 2021. Man, like, it's fire. It's fire. It's fire. Either way, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm out. DollarMike. Peace.